In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix your unable to backup messages in WhatsApp. Now, when you try to back your WhatsApp messages, you might be getting the unable to backup texts. Now, this can be due to various reasons. That is, your Google account, your Google storage might be full. Now, to fix that, what you might want to do is go to your WhatsApp, go to your chats, and there you'll see your chat backup. Now, as you can see, my chat is not really backing up. Now, to check if your Google account has run out of space, what you might want to do is install this app called Google One. After you've installed it, open it. And there you can see that I have almost run out of my storage. Now, what you can do is you can free up some storage by deleting some of your files or some of your Gmails or your Google Photos. But if you are still not able to back it up, what you might want to do is you might want to upgrade your Google storage. To do that, you can see the button right here that says upgrade. Click on it, and there you'll see membership plans. Now there are many offers that you can get for very less price. You might want to select the one to your liking, and then your problem should get fixed and your WhatsApp should back up your chats. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like below. Also check out our other contents on our channel. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.